video will guide you on how to book hotels in Illusions on Demand. For making any kind of bookings, click on the bookings that is displayed on top in the home page. System will display the various options. Find bookings are used to find the bookings that are already made. Book transfers are purely for arrival and departures. Book other service are for miscellaneous like the visa. Manual bookings are made when the contracts are not loaded in the system. Book tours are for sightseeing purpose. Book hotels are purely for accommodation. When you click on Book Hotels, system will take you to the hotel search page. You need to specify the client. You need to enter the name of the city, followed by the date, the rooms, and the preference of the hotel. At the code, type in the 2 or the 3-letter code of that particular client, and the system will show if the client is a credit client or no, followed by the available credit limit of that particular client in the client currency. The name of the client is automatically updated. You also have an option to select another consultant name using the drop-down. Clear selection is used to clear all the data entered so far. The lookup is also used if you are not aware of the code of the client. All the clients that are loaded will be displayed. Click on Select to choose a particular client, and the system will update the information of that client. As you type in the code of the city, system will display the name of the city. Select the city, and the system will display the code along with the name of the city. You can also have an option to select the zone if required. Lookup and clear field are used in the various parts of the system having the same functionality. Specify dates. Using the calendar, select the check-in date. Type in the number of nights, and the system will automatically update the checkout date. You also have an option using the calendar to select the checkout date, and the system will update the number of nights automatically. Specify rooms. Using the drop-down, select the number of rooms if you want 2 different rooms for different passengers. Select the number of adults, followed by the number of children. The age option automatically appears. Select the age of the children, followed by the name of the hotel. As you type in the name of the hotel if you're aware of, system will display the name of the hotel. Clear field is used to clear the data. Lookup is used, and you will notice all the hotels that are listed in that city. Select the hotel and click on Submit. You also have an option to search for the standard of the hotel, followed by the property type. Select the property that is required, or you can give a blank search simply by clicking on Search. System will display a hotel search result page having the passenger configuration and all the hotel details. On the left, what you find is the summary of what done so far. The destination, that is the city, the check-in check-out date, the number of rooms, adult and children. Specify rooms and traveler configuration for each room. You also have an option to change the number of rooms or the number of adults, or an option to have no children. Select the dates. You have an option to change the date at this level once again. Once you change the date or the passenger configuration, it's important to click on Search again, as the system will update and list the information once again. System displays all the hotels for that particular city. As you go down, you'll find more hotels. If there are more hotels, you'll have more than one page. You can also do the star rating. It shows it's a 2-star, followed by the zone where the hotel is, and the hotel chain. You can filter and continue for the search to continue again. When you click on the name of the hotel, all the prices are shown in the client currency, and the rooms on request is subject to availability and room rate is subject to change. As you type in the name of the hotel, system will display all the information that is loaded from the back office at the hotel wizard. The image of the hotel will be displayed, followed by the location, the overview, the message, the room types that are entered for this hotel, facility, both the room facility and the hotel facility, followed by the point of interest, as loaded from the back office. You also have an option to send all this information by email to your client. Tap in the name, followed by the email address of the client, subject if any, the name of the client or the recipient who is receiving this message, and their email address. Click on Send, and this will be delivered to the email ID of the recipient. The more detail also will show the same information as what was seen in the hotel name. The checkboxes are disabled as the status is not available. There is a blackout period, and the system shows available if the room is available, or a minimum night stay is required for that particular room type. Since the required is for 4 nights, there is a blackout period as the restriction is for 5 nights. The total price shows 0 as none of the rooms are selected so far. The number of passengers, the price, the rooms, and the cancellation policy. When you click on the cancellation policy, system will display the rule as loaded from the back office under the cancellation policy. Promotion, if any, can be seen by clicking on the view. For example, here there is a stay 4 pay 3 offer for that particular rooms. Also, when you click on notes, you can see the contract description that is loaded at the hotel level. When you check a room, the total price will be automatically shown. To continue, choose and continue. The system will also display the discount and the supplement charges that are applicable for this room. Here you have a stay 4 pay 3 offer which is automatically updated. And under supplement, there are two options. One is a mandatory supplement where the prices are included, and the second is an optional supplement which is not mandatory. If that supplement is required, select the supplement and click on Submit. The passenger details page will be displayed. At the party name, tap on the surname or the second name of the passenger, and the system will automatically update the last name of the passenger. Tap on the agent's reference number if any. This will be useful while doing a fine booking. You have the passenger. Since it's a new passenger, it shows new passenger as it is a new booking. As you change the title of the passenger, the gender is automatically updated. Tap on the first name or the name of the passenger. Type in the passport number, which is not a mandatory field. Notes will allow you to enter a client note, supplier note, or the reservation notes. The notes that are entered under clients will appear in the documentation for the clients, and the notes that are entered in the supplier notes will appear only to the supplier when this booking is emailed to the supplier. The form to reservation is for internal purpose only, and that remains within the office and does not appear anywhere else. Click on Submit for this to be updated. Flight details will allow you to enter the flight information of the client. The flying from information is where the passenger is departing from. For example, here, type in the name of the airport from where the passenger is departing, followed by the terminal number, the date of departure, along with the time of departure. The flying to information is where the client is arriving into. Once the flying to is entered, it also updates the pickup location. Enter the terminal number followed by the time and the date of arrival. Type in the flight number or the name. The drop-off location is automatically updated. You can also have changed the drop-off location. Click on Submit and the data is updated. You have an option to save as quote or save as booking. On the left, what you find is the summary, the destination, that is the city, the name of the hotel, check-in and the check-out date, followed by the number of rooms, the type of rooms. On clicking the type of room, system will display the occupancy of that particular room, indicating the number of adults and children. And finally, the total cost along with the discount and the supplement. Save as quote will not look for any allocation. The system will take the user to the booking summary if you do a save as quote or save as booking. What you find is a reservation number, which is in sequence, agent's reference number that is entered at the booking level, the booking status, which is on quote, taken by the staff who made the booking, followed by the booking date when the booking was made, the name of the passenger, the client code, the way it was entered, and the contact of the client. The booking summary also has different options like the bookings, element, history, and accounts. The element level showing the status on quote, followed by the day number, the from to dates, type A is for accommodation, the number of nights when the booking is made, followed by the city, the name of the hotel, the room type, and indicating whether it is from the allocation or no, the total number of passengers, and the supplier showing if it is a third party, for example GT or Hotelbeds, and the cost and the price what client will be paying. The supplier reference number will appear on confirmation. And this concludes the demonstration on how to make hotel bookings in Illusions on Demand. Thank you.